Hello, today I will be talking about security onion and how can we use it, what is the use cases for it, and so on and so forth. So yeah, security onion basically is a Linux distribution that helps you like either monitoring your network by using it as a security network security monitoring tooling, or also you can use it as a network forensics platform that has lots of tooling ready to use, and you can just replay a packet and see the raw traffics like Suricata alerts, so on and so forth. So for today's video, we will be using a PCAP traffic and then try to understand the different log types it is generating, how we can interpret them, and how we can use them during our analysis. And yeah, hopefully it will give you a brief idea about what kind of use cases can be a use case for your security onion usage, and when you have a PCAP, how can you triage it quickly, and or if you are planning to create a network security monitoring infrastructure to monitor your network for threats, to detect the threats and respond to threats. And yeah, so in order to start our video, maybe we can just download a example PCAP traffic from a website like malware traffic analysis that I already talked in the past videos. You can just check that video to find some example PCAP traffic. So yeah, for today's video I will be using PCAP like this. So to replay this PCAP traffic, I will be just giving this as a parameter, and then it will be importing this PCAP and running all of the signatures and all kinds of stuff in this PCAP. So basically, when we run this replay command on our PCAP file, now it generated Suricata signatures, Zeek signatures, like Zeek raw traffics and PCAPs, also like extracting the files, file sessions, all kinds of things. As a starting point, we can directly dive into this Suricata alerts. So when we replay the traffic, it generates a link so that you can easily pivot only to the traffic that you need to look, instead of all of the PCAPs or all of the Zeek logs, that it will give you a targeted link for your related imports. And also it will provide a unique import ID for your traffic, which in this case it is this number. So this is a filter that is only showing the related import traffics. So here's all of the log types that this PCAP file includes. Like for network traffic, this PCAP file has some DNS traffic, SSL traffic, Kerberos, NTLM, SMB, and also, of course, HTTP connection. And also, since it is also running Suricata network IDS tool, network security monitoring / IDS tool, intrusion detection system tool, it is also giving the Suricata alerts. So let's pivot by left clicking and adding this as a filter, and it added this filter, and now we are only seeing the related Suricata alerts. So this is our Suricata alerts that you can also see their details like this. You can, if you want, you can directly pivot to its PCAP to see the full transaction. Here's the GET request, here's the host, it is requesting to user agent and some cookie values, and is the response. And if you need, you can also download the raw PCAP here and save it and use it as you wish. So here's all of the related Suricata signatures, and as you can see, it's a cobalt strike beacon. You can see the details like source port, like source IP, destination IP, and also some other UID values and whatnot. So in order to see related Zeek files for this source IP and source port request, you can use this community ID value that is present in both on Suricata rules and also like Suricata logs and also Zeek logs. So by using this community ID here, as you can see, it will help you to pivot between different log types, like between Suricata and Zeek, and if you have endpoint logs, as well as I can know, it also provides some endpoint pivoting opportunity, but since we only gave it a PCAP file, not any we didn't give any endpoint traffic, endpoint log creating traffic, so it won't be possible to pivot to a endpoint related pivot. So if you click this network community ID and exclude this Suricata alerts, like, then we will be seeing all of the related Zeek signatures, like Zeek logs, for this specific snort ID, that Suricata alert. Here you can also confirm that like the timestamps are so close, like first this one, then this, and then Suricata alert. So first, of course, for each Zeek log, there need to be a connection log. So this is basically con.log for the Zeek log. So it's a normal SYN completion that you can also see this flag, and also history of this connection SYN egg, like the uppercase letters are the flags created on the client side, and lowercase are the responder side. So SYN egg, data sent from the source, and data received from the responder after an acknowledge flag, and then finalizing like fin flags for this connection. And also within this connection log, like you can think this as this is a flow. We are seeing that in its service protocol, like network protocol field, it's a HTTP traffic. And for details of this HTTP logs, there is this HTTP.log file for this traffic. So you can see this URI, HTTP URI parameter, like user agent, like basically this is Zeek log, HTTP.log Zeek log for the specific transaction. Like, and since we have this traffic, like it will create a Suricata signature hit because of this rule. Like this rule basically looking any GET request that is like that with the content and this pattern, like HTTP and something, and this regular expression and referrer value, and basically this meets the condition for this specific Suricata signature, and that is why it is creating this Suricata signature. But since you already have this raw data like Zeek data and connection.log, you can see the details of this log. And also, of course, like I told in the past, like you can also easily pivot the PCAP and see the raw traffic, not just Zeek. But as you can see, like PCAP is a costly data format. Like most of the time you will only have Zeek logs, not full PCAP, because of retention issues, log volume issues, so on and so forth. So TLDR, community ID, lets you pivot between different log types. In this example, Zeek versus Suricata, and also if you have endpoint log, it will also help you to pivot any endpoint log too. So yeah, you can easily see the related traffic for this thing. So yeah, thank you for watching. I will be talking more about this in upcoming videos. Have a good day.